this teacher? Give me so much homework. Oh my god. What do I have to do now? Shit. Page. What? We didn't even learn this. Bitch. Oh my god. FML. Hey, get back here. Oh my god. He's gone. Can't believe I got away with that. Man, it's been 1 week since I haven't found that guy. I gotta piss. Whose is this? Who's there? Open it, what the? This is my favorite. Oh, not again. I'm getting too over this. If that guy gets over here again and steals something, I'm gonna shoot him. Oh my god. Ow! Where are you? There you are. Put down the weapon. Put it down.
No, please don't. No, wait.